Hello YouTube. In this tutorial I'll show you how to make a GIF from any YouTube video for free. Open the browser and type GIFrun. The GIFrun is a free online service, no sign up required, no download. Who you convert a part of a YouTube video to GIF. I open YouTube. Choose the video address I want. And I do a copy paste in the post link. After the video loads, select the starting point. With the slider in the preview I adjust the time until the desired result. I have is up to 12 seconds. I can save it in GIF or WebP format. I can add some filters. I can change the FPS. I can edit the size. Press Create GIF. I can crop. I can loop or bounce. I can add text. Press Create GIF. When you are happy with the result, press Download. The GIF was downloaded to our device. If I want to see it in GIF format, I must change file extension. Right-click on File. Properties opens with Change, Internet Explorer. Apply.